Sometimes you have numbers that are not numbers, essentially, and you want to make them numbers. So we're going to convert some text to numbers. Now you can really clearly see this because the number is not going to be like all the other numbers. So the numbers that are to the right, this is an automatic number. And one of the common things that happens is when we copy and paste data from somewhere else into Google Sheets, sometimes the automatic formatting is not correct for any number of reasons. It could be that there is some extra commas or not commas or whatever, but you'll see format, number, and you might see automatic here is checked, but it's actually not for all of them. It's just suggesting you should do that, essentially. So let's go to format number. Try automatic first. If that doesn't work, try format number. That might add a couple of zeros. Then you're going to decrease decimal places too. There's another way you can do it, which is number, and then go down to custom currency, or rather custom number format, not custom currency. And here we can see that the one here is a comma, hashtag, hashtag, hashtag 0. What this is going to do that is if it's 4 letters, 4 numbers or more, it's going to add a comma. If you have a 0 here, like these 2 zeros, you'll always have a leading 0, so it'll be like 0, 1, 0, 2, but above 10 it will look normal. And you can customize this number anyway. If you don't want a leading 0 and you don't want any commas, you can just put a single 0 here. You can even type it in or select it here, apply, and we have no commas, no nothing. But if we want some commas, let's go to Format, Custom Number Format, and add hashtag, comma, hashtag, hashtag 0, and apply that, and we have some commas now. So there, we can convert some text to numbers, and this might help your COUNTIFS, your SUMIFS, your COUNTALLs, your SUM. If those are not working correctly, try this trick to actually just convert all the text that you think is numbers into actual numbers. That might do the trick.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.